We live in a world obsessed with control. Control over our time, our relationships, our future, even over how others see us. And when things don't go according to our plan, we spiral into frustration, anxiety, even despair. But here's the truth that few accept. The more you try to control everything, the more you suffer. And the more you let go of what you can't control, the more peace you gain. This is the quiet power of Stoicism, a philosophy not built on dominance, but on surrender. Not a weak kind of surrender, but the strength of radical acceptance. Think about how much energy you've wasted fighting reality, trying to force people to understand you, worrying about things that haven't even happened yet, beating yourself up for things you couldn't have predicted. It's exhausting, and it's unnecessary. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher who was once a slave, said it simply, "Some things are up to us, and some things are not." Most people live their entire lives without understanding this. They try to control outcomes. They try to control people's opinions. They try to control the uncontrollable, and it breaks them. But the Stoics teach us something profoundly liberating. Focus only on what is within your power, your thoughts, your actions, your attitude. That's it. Everything else, let it go. But letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means choosing where to place your energy. You didn't get the job? Fine. Focus on how you'll grow from it. Someone betrayed you? Painful, yes. But you control your response. A relationship ended. It hurts, but you're still in charge of how you show up tomorrow. The world may toss chaos your way, but your mind can be a fortress if you train it. And that training begins with a simple but powerful question. Is this within my control? Ask it before every reaction, every worry, every conflict. You'll be surprised how much lighter life feels when you stop carrying what was never yours to bear. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, ruled over the most powerful empire of his time. And yet, he faced loss, betrayal, war, and the constant weight of leadership. But in his private writings, later known as meditations, he reminded himself daily, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Even at the height of power, he recognized what many of us forget. Real strength is internal. It's not in your job title, your bank account, or your ability to control others. It's in your response to adversity. It's in the choice to remain calm when chaos erupts. It's in the decision to walk away from drama, to speak with kindness when you want to shout, and to act with integrity even when no one's watching. This is Stoicism, not emotionless detachment, but disciplined freedom. And here's something else the Stoics understood deeply. Life is short, not in a morbid, pessimistic way, but in a way that sharpens your focus. Seneca wrote, "It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. We waste it worrying. We waste it replaying past conversations in our minds. We waste it arguing with reality, wishing things were different." But if you can accept life on its terms, not as you wish it to be, but as it is, you unlock something rare. Clarity. Clarity about what truly matters. Clarity about how to spend your time, your attention, and your energy. And suddenly you begin to live, not as a prisoner of circumstance, but as a creator of meaning. So, what would your life look like if you truly embraced this? If you stopped trying to win every argument, stopped obsessing over what they think of you, stopped clinging to what was never in your hands to begin with? What if you could meet hardship without panic? What if peace wasn't something you chased, but something you chose? That's the Stoic way. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Because the moment you stop resisting the flow of life, you start moving with it. And that's where the power lies, not in force, but in freedom. So today, try this. When life throws something unexpected at you, pause. Ask, is this within my control? If it is, take action. If it's not, release it. That single practice can change everything. Because when you no longer need to control the world, you begin to master yourself. And that is the beginning of true peace.